Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Colab and choosing the notebook you will publish. Make sure you're signed into the Google account linked to your GitHub or ready to authorize it. Clean outputs and remove secrets so the repo doesn't leak credentials. Once done, create the GitHub repository or confirm the target repo and branch name. You'll need that exact path when saving. These preparatory steps ensure a smooth push and avoid accidental sensitive data in commit history. Now connect Colab to GitHub. Choose File, Save a Copy in GitHub, or use the GitHub Save option in the top menu. When the dialog appears, authorize Colab to access your GitHub account so you can write to repos. This is required only once. Enter a clear commit message, the target file name, and confirm the repository path and branch, then save. Alternatively, open a terminal in Colab, configure Git with a personal access token, add commit, and push, which provides finer control over history. Finish by verifying the notebook appears correctly in your GitHub repository and on the intended branch. GitHub renders ipynb files but may show raw JSON briefly. If it isn't visible, refresh and confirm the commit history for your latest commit. If the save failed, reauthorize the GitHub integration or recreate a personal access token and push again. Make sure large outputs or secrets aren't blocking the push. If needed, strip outputs and use the git command line from Colab to retrieve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.